So I learned alphabets A to Z, small letter. A. A for apple. B. B for banana. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for flower. G. G for ghost. H. H for horse. I for insects. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lamb. M for monkey. N for nose. O for ostrich. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for snow. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for water. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And last alphabet, now letter Z. Z for zebra. Repeat alphabets. Please learn with me. Subscribe to me. A, B, C, G, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I meet you next video. See you. Bye.